Hello tech enthusiasts. Welcome to today's technological product preview. USA Entertainment Ventures have a special presentation for you. Today, we're diving into something truly revolutionary in the world of simulation, the Small Footprint Simulator by USA Entertainment Ventures. Let's get started. Attachments. With over 100 attachments available, the Small Footprint Simulator offers unparalleled versatility for training across different industries. USB attachments enable simulation of various vehicles and equipment, catering to sectors like transportation, logistics, construction, and mining. The simulator's user-friendly interface, coupled with its customization options, ensures ease of operation for users of all skill levels. Its ability to provide advanced training in a safe environment makes it ideal for learners ranging from novices to seasoned professionals. Let's delve deeper into the functionalities and applications of each attachment. Controller attachment. The controller attachment enables users to interact with the simulator using a dedicated control interface tailored to specific applications. It offers customizable controls, allowing users to adjust settings according to their preferences and needs. This attachment is particularly useful for users who prefer a dedicated control setup for their simulations, providing a more immersive and realistic experience. Applications include flight simulation, driving simulation, and operating heavy machinery, among others. Flying attachment. The flying attachment is designed for flight simulation enthusiasts, providing a realistic and immersive flying experience. It includes a flight yoke or joystick, throttle quadrant, and rudder pedals, allowing users to control various aspects of aircraft flight. The attachment offers precise control over aircraft maneuvers, enhancing the realism of flight simulations. It caters to both novice and experienced pilots, offering a platform for skill development and training across different aircraft types and scenarios. Game audio attachment. The game audio attachment enhances the auditory experience of simulations, providing immersive sound effects and audio feedback. It includes high-quality speakers or headphones, ensuring clear and crisp audio reproduction during simulations. The attachment enhances the realism of simulations by providing accurate soundscapes, including engine noises, environmental sounds, and communication chatter. Users can adjust audio settings to suit their preferences and create a more engaging simulation experience. Racing attachment. The racing attachment is tailored for driving simulation, offering a realistic experience. It includes a steering wheel, pedals, and gear shifter, providing precise control over vehicle maneuvers. The attachment simulates the sensations of driving any vehicle and includes realistic force feedback and responsive controls. It caters to users interested in racing simulations, from casual gamers to professional racers, offering a platform for skill development and competitive racing experiences. Overall, each attachment offers unique functionalities and features tailored to specific simulation applications, enhancing the realism and immersive nature of the Small Footprint Simulator across various industries and user preferences. With its extensive attachments and user-friendly design, it is a powerful training tool capable of meeting the diverse needs of industries and individuals alike. Projector attachment. The addition of a projector to the Small Footprint Simulator expands its capabilities, particularly in educational settings. By projecting the individual user's screen onto a larger surface, entire classrooms can observe and learn from the actions and designs of users. This feature is invaluable for instructors demonstrating techniques or processes, eliminating the need for verbal explanations and enhancing student comprehension. Furthermore, the projector feature facilitates group activities, enabling students to take turns using the simulator and projecting their screens for collective observation. This fosters a collaborative learning environment where students can learn from one another's successes and mistakes. Moreover, the Small Footprint Simulator can be integrated with VR attachments, allowing users to transition into virtual reality environments for advanced training across various disciplines. This immersive experience is especially beneficial for flight schools, airlines, law enforcement, and military training. Users can simulate scenarios that closely resemble real-world situations, providing valuable experience without risking injury or damage. Mobility. The Small Footprint Simulator is designed to be compact and portable, with dimensions of 32.6 inches in width, 56 inches in height, and 80 inches in depth. Given these dimensions, the simulator can comfortably fit into the average service elevator, which typically measures 5 feet 4 inches in width and 8 feet 5 inches in depth, with a door opening of at least 3 feet. Additionally, the lockable casters located at the base of the Small Footprint Simulator allow the simulator to be easily movable, ensuring that it can be transported and installed in various locations without logistical challenges. 4-year warranty. Your peace of mind is our priority. With a generous 4-year warranty, You can train with confidence, knowing that your investment is protected against any unforeseen issues. Whether it's hardware malfunctions or technical glitches, our dedicated support team is here to assist you every step of the way. Say goodbye to worries and hello to uninterrupted training bliss. In summary, the Small Footprint Simulator is poised to revolutionize training and education across industries. We extend our gratitude to you for considering our product and investing your time in exploring its potential. We look forward to providing you with an excellent product and partnering with you to achieve your training and educational goals.